Okay guys, as I mentioned in my last video, I do have some watercress that I planted at the beginning of the season over here, and they've grown quite well along this side of the pond here. So today I'm gonna try to harvest some of these for my lunch today. So let me set the camera down here. Start trimming them down. Let's see. Alright. Quite big. There. For one pot of soup. Alright guys, this is what I have. One basket full of watercress. I'm gonna bring in the kitchen to make some soup with ground pork. Well, trying to wash the vegetable now. Watercress. Alright, here I have some ground pork, green onion, coriander, black pepper, and salt. And of course the watercress and chicken broth. I'm gonna bring it to boiling. Turn this around. Alright, the water is boiling, so we're gonna add ground pork. So my chef is taking over the cooking today. It smells good already. Now add the vegetable. Be the next one. No time for hot pot on the weekdays. Chef shape. Push it down. Then turn up the heat. Alright guys, so there you have it. It's my watercress soup with ground pork from my water garden, from my koi pond. So this is my lunch. And thanks for watching guys.